Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Hi friends, my name is Fernandes and I'm working for FORCA Foundation as a Grassroot coach. So in this video, you will learn soccer drill for the beginners of age group of 6 to 10 years old on topic footwork drill. So guys, let's start our session, that is footwork drill. In this drill, we'll be doing 4 techniques of footwork drill. So each drill you have to work out for 30 seconds, then take rest for 15 seconds and start again other exercise for 30 seconds. So our first drill is outside, inside. You have to use your outside part and inside part of your foot to do this drill. You have to move the ball with your right leg outside and bring with the same foot inside. Then same with the left leg, outside, inside. So our second drill is toe pull. We'll be using this cone as a defender. So you have to push the ball, use your toe part to bring the ball behind, then change the body movement and use your left leg to do the same. Push, bring with the toe, push, bring the toe. So our third drill is step over. You have to move your right leg over the ball and push the ball with your left leg, with the outside foot. Then same thing with the left leg over the ball and right leg, push the ball. So our fourth drill is cross movement. You have to push the ball, bring it behind from backward and use the inside part to change the direction and move. Then same thing with the left leg, push, bring and move. So guys, with this I end my session of footwork drill. I hope you keep on practicing at home in this lockdown time. Thank you guys for watching this video.